I'm Sarah. I hope you're all well. Today, I will share my tips on how to print and store PDF sewing patterns. I love working with a hard copy of a pattern. I find more and more pattern designers are releasing PDF patterns only. Here's how I print PDF patterns and store them at home. Open the PDF pattern folder, and normally you will find 3 files. I recommend you read all the instructions thoroughly before you getting started on the project. You can learn something from every pattern. You can order prints on A0 paper from your local or online print shop. It's super easy, but usually takes a few days and costs $15 to $20 or more, depending on how many pages the pattern is. Let's open the file and walk through each step. On the first page is the sizing square. I highly recommend you print this page first and check that the scale is correct before printing the remaining pages. Now that we've checked the scale, let's print the pattern. But wait, if your pattern is looking complicated to read with all the different sizing lines, you can print your size only. Open the file with the Adobe Acrobat Reader. Click the layer icon and select your size. The pattern is so much clearer and now finally ready to print. Make sure to set the print scale at 100% or actual size. But this is only the beginning. Now we have to put the pieces of the puzzle together and attach them. Every sewist has their own method, and here's mine. Inspired by minimalist machinist, since seeing and using her method, I've detested this part of the process much less. Cut the corners. Put the pages together, fitting the corners. Normally I use washi tape so I can recycle the remainders, but I just ran out and had to use packing tape. If you are cutting your pattern from this paper or want to save it, you will need to tape more thoroughly. I traced my size on pattern paper I ordered from Korea. You can use Swedish pattern paper, packing paper, parchment paper. Add all the information you will need in the future. Add notches or markings with your preferred method. I fold my patterns and store them in folder pockets. I like using pattern paper as it's durable and stores well. It's light and folds without leaving creases. And that's how I print and store my patterns. I hope you learned something useful in this video, and I would love to hear your ideas. Please share any thoughts or questions in the comments section below so we can all learn from each other. Thanks so much for watching, and let's meet again in my next video. 안녕!